Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for taxes. First, let's get your QuickBooks file ready. Begin by connecting your bank accounts and credit cards. This automatically imports your transactions, saving you hours of manual entry. Next, consistently categorize all your income and expenses. This step is crucial for accurate reporting later on. Finally, if your business collects sales tax, ensure your sales tax rates are correctly set up and tracked within QuickBooks from day one. Now, let's dive into tracking. It's vital to record every single piece of business income, whether it's from sales, service fees, or other revenue streams. Equally important is logging every business expense, from office supplies and utilities to professional fees. This detailed tracking ensures you capture all potential deductions. To maintain accuracy, make it a habit to reconcile your bank and credit card accounts monthly. This process helps catch any discrepancies and keeps your financial records pristine. With your data meticulously entered, generating key reports becomes simple. First, run a profit and loss statement. This report shows your business's financial performance over a period, detailing income versus expenses. Next, generate a balance sheet report to get a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. If you collect sales tax, the sales tax liability report is indispensable for knowing exactly how much sales tax you owe. These three reports are fundamental for tax preparation. Before finalizing anything, take time for a thorough review. Carefully check all categories and transactions for any errors or misclassifications. A small mistake can lead to big headaches. It's highly recommended to consult with a tax professional. They can help ensure you maximize all eligible deductions and credits, potentially saving you a significant amount. Finally, export your essential financial reports as PDFs or spreadsheets. This makes sharing your organized data with your accountant straightforward and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.